Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on how you can update your Google account. Now, there's a few different types of update. If you're talking about updating your personal information on Google, you can definitely do that, but for that you'll have to go to Manage Google Account. As you saw right from here, I went to Manage Google Account. This is very bright, and if I head over to Personal Info, from here, I can manage my Google account. For example, I am now a male, so I'm just gonna put that. I'm gonna put it on anyone to see. And the other one is if you wanna update your Google, as in update your Google apps or software. Now, if it's on your computer, it should update automatically. And if you're on a phone, the best thing you can do is go to Play Store. After you go to Play Store, click on the three bars on the top. It's gonna be three bars like this on the left side. And once you click on that, all you want to do is press on update all apps, and that should be able to update all of your application, including the ones that are Google applications. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe as well as drop a like on the video and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.